Alright, this is going to be a quick video because my phone is at 22%. Here's an update of what I've been doing to the Ford here, or the Ford air compressor, excuse me. This wire right here was chewed in two on the distributor, so I put another one on it and hooked to the minus side of the distributor, or the coil I mean, and it works. I would show you, but I have a video on it running, so on my channel. So, and I'm gonna switch these tires out for, I'll show you, for these back here in the back of the truck. These right here, these two right there. I'm borrowing this hose right now. It's my dad's, but I'm gonna borrow it. And that blower, or that thing you see there right by the tire, it goes for this air compressor right here. So, in fact, actually, I'll start it up. I'll have to get my fuel can out and everything. So give me a second. Let me sit this down right here for a second. And sorry for the wind today. Pretty bad today. Okay, sorry about that. I'm back. Alright, I'll start it up for you so you can hear it or watch it. It was running a while ago. Hang on a minute. Hold on. I open it back up again. You have to open it up because if you don't, it's gonna be like that, hard starting. So, let me pump it just a little bit here. It don't like that. Wait a second. I get running. Yeah, it didn't like that. When it built up pressure. Alright, I hope you can hear me. I'm gonna let that run a little bit to charge the battery up. So enjoy the video.